What we got going on?
Oh, well, we were gonna go ride health, but we got some calves out, so we're gonna change the game plan for right now and go put them back in the pasture they're supposed to be in. Check the fence, try to find out where they getting out at, fix it, and then go back to doing what we were doing. Just adapting to fit the situation.
Oh yeah, get short. Definitely get short.
Lay down. Lay down. That's Queen. That's Cotton. He's hiked up and ready to go to work. We didn't have very far to knock the edge off as far as a long circle, so we shall see. Cattle are right there. They got to go that way. So we're just gonna try to get them started here, and then just take them towards the gaps. I don't know, 1/8 of a mile that way. So try to take you along here. Cotton's already zoned in on them. Come on, Queen. Queen is not as strong a dog as Cotton is, but she does help. So he's a very, very strong dog. Always wants to work. Does not matter where, when, how often. He just all the time. So awesome dog. Queen is, she's a little timid. There, stay. Cattle are already moving, so I don't even need to walk Cotton up. They're kind of getting up because I'm coming down here. Stay. So I'll use him just to kind of get them going. Good girl, Queen. Good girl. She's paying attention, so that's good. Good girl. So I'm just gonna kind of let them go. There's a fence right there and water, so there they go. So now I can kind of use the dogs and ask them to walk up. Walk up. Hey, walk up. Let's go. Walk up. Good girl. They don't have a great handle. There. I do got a good down. There. Good girl. I see you looking. Hey, there, Queen. All I want to do is get the cattle started. Queen, there, down. So come by. Hey, come by. Steady. Come by. Cotton, Cotton, come by. Good dogs. Good dogs. Cotton, come by. Steady. Steady. Walk them up. Now that we're good dogs, good dogs. Walk them up. Steady. Steady. Cotton. Good boy. Good boy. Steady. Now look back. Look back. Steady. Queen. There. There. That's all we wanted to do. Good boy. Is get them moving. Queen. Look back. Good girl. Queen. Good girl. Good girl. Steady. She doesn't really know what's going on, but she is checking in, and that's bringing her back. So that's what we want. So I'll just let them kind of go here for a minute. And Queen's kind of getting ahead of them. That's not right. She needs to come back. Come, Queen. Come. Good girl. Steady. And they're just... Cotton's got more of an understanding than Queen does right now. It's only her second time out, but they're doing really good right this second. Queen doesn't quite know where to stay. Come. Good girl. Good girl, Queenie. She'll kind of work off of Cotton a little bit. They'll kind of keep them herded up. And she's a little high. Come here, Queen. Good girl. She's kind of keeping them hazed a little bit. That's not right. Good girl. Good girl. Just letting her learn. Or I can let them dogs do on their own. Just keep them back a little bit. Look back. Enough country out here that they can make mistakes, still be okay. So it's a lot of fun to watch. Hope we're getting all this. She brings them back. Good girl. Steady. Good boy, Cotton. Good boy. That was a good move. That was very nice. Sort of take them along this drainage here. Got that stray. See if we can't get him back in. Give him a reason to go. Attaboy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good dogs. This ground in here soft. Right over here. Let the dogs bring them. Steady. Hey, now look back. There. There, down. Now look back. Good boy. Good boy. Need to be going that way. Now look back. Might be able to use that calf. Take us that way. Hey, hey, now look back. Now look back. Queen. Come. Come. All right, now we've kind of lost it. Come. Come, Cotton. There. Down. Now we've split them. So we got one bunch over there. Hey, there. That bunch is going the right way, so we'll get ahead of these, turn them over this hill, and see if we can't, see if those won't keep walking. Come. 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 Good boy. There. Now down. We can't get these suckers turned. Stay. There. Down. Now come. Cotton, come. There. Down. Away. Good boy. Way. There. Down. Stay. Come. There. Steady. Hey. There. Down. Come, Queen. Stay. Alright, so now we got them going the right direction again. Had to help a little bit. That's okay. There. We're all learning. Good job, Queenie. Good job. Good girl. That was good. You're gonna make a dog. You're gonna make a dog. There. I know. Alright, so I'm gonna let them drift right here and just kind of ease up to where they could make a wrong turn. Hey. Queenie. Queen, come. Queen, come. Good girl. Down. There. Down. As soon as we get over this hill and I can see, I know we're going the right way. There. Down. Alright, so we need to come up here and kick them just a little bit. There's the truck. Steady. There. Down. So Dalton's over there on that ridge, picking up the ones that we split. Kind of just let them drift here for a minute till they can all catch back up. Hopefully this is getting all that. These two dogs are working really good together. That's kind of nice. Come on, Queen. There. Alright, so there, down. Down. So I'm gonna cut this camera off and wait till we catch up with the other ones. I'll turn it back on. Steady. Steady. There. Down. Good boy. Stay. I hope this thing's adjusted right. If not, we're missing some good stuff. Okay, now walk up. Now walk up. All right, we got them all back together. Down. Wow. Just let them walk. We can get the dogs out there once they get through that.
Okay.
You just keep them hazed off from going to the right, and we'll let the dogs take them. Okay.
Got the gate open.
Okay. Steady. You're gonna have to move faster. You're gonna have to go faster. Stay on that edge. Come on, Queen. Steady. Look back now. Now look back. Now look back. Steady. Good girl, Queenie. Now, there. Good girl, down, there, down. Now walk up. Now walk up. Now walk up. Steady. 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 Now look back. There, down. Steady. Okay, I'm gonna let these keep going. Hey, Cotton, now come by. Now come by. Now look back, there, down. Now come by. Nope, there. Now come by. Down. Cotton, down. Cotton, now come by. On out, come by. Come by, come by. Steady. Steady. Good boy. Now away. Now away. Good boy. There. Down. Down. Steady. Walk up. Walk up. Queen. There. Queen. There. Down. Down. Good girl. Now walk up. Steady. Steady. Now Cotton. Cotton. Away. 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 Cotton. Cotton. Away. Get ahead. Get ahead. Get ahead. Get ahead. Good boy. Steady. There. Down. Now come by. Steady. Hey. There. Now away. Away. Good dogs. Look back. Hey, Cotton. There. Steady. Now come by. Good boy. Now look back. Hey, there. Now look back. Good boy. Steady. Steady. Queen, there. Down. Down. There. Down. Down. Unfortunate. There. Down. Ah, down. There. Down. 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 Stay. Now walk up. Now walk up. There. Down. Down. There. Down. Stay. Down. Now walk up. Come on, Queenie, walk up. There. Now walk up. Now walk up. Get it. Get it. There. Good boy. Steady. Steady. Now there. Down. Down. Stay. There. Down. Stay. There. Stay. Now come. 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 Good boy. Come. Ah, ah, come. Come. There, down. Nice shot. Good boy. Good boy. Had some calves out. We came up here to get them. See them all up and down this little draw here. That snowdrift got piled up right there on top of the fence, and they can just walk right over it. So anyways, we're just gonna leave them because there's really no point in moving them because we can't fix that fence till the snowdrift melts. But it's pretty easy to gather them out of here like we just did that other set. So if they fall down to the bottom, we'll just pick them up and put them back where they're supposed to go. Cotton, down. Cotton, kennel. Kennel.